Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a theater owner wanted to determine whether local residents were more interested in seeing operas or symphonies. The theater owner asked 85 people who were in a shopping mall on a Sunday, and 5 people declined to respond. We're asked which of the following factors is the greatest flaw in the theater owner's methodology in reaching a reliable conclusion about the local residents' performance viewing preferences. So, we went and we asked 85 people in a shopping mall on a Sunday, and 5 people did not respond. Is the size of the sample the issue? No, 85 people isn't the largest sample, but 85 people would be enough if everything else was right to make a conclusion based on the information that you've been given. The location in which the survey was given. This is going to be our first problem. The theater owner asked 85 people who were in a shopping mall on a Sunday. So this is not representative of the entire town. This is only representative of people who were in the shopping mall on Sunday. So that's our first problem. Let's see if we have any other problems. Is the population of the area a flaw in the methodology? Well, we're not given any information about the population of the area. And even if we were, the theater owner is trying to make a conclusion about this. So it can't possibly be a flaw in the methodology. And then D, the residents who declined to respond. 5 people out of 85 people is not a super high amount, right? And you are always going to have people, when you're doing a survey, there are always going to be people who can't respond. So you can't control that. So A, C, and D are not problems at all, which means B is the only one. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.